Hymer has offered an optional four-wheel drive system for many years. It's now offering two of its vehicles as what it terms CrossOver edition models. As a result, the semi-integrated Hymer MLT 570 and the Hymer Grand Canyon S camper van on a Mercedes-Benz chassis are getting an off-road upgrade featuring a high-traction four-wheel drive system as standard, and other standard equipment will also include solar, which the company says will help to increase self-sufficiency to up to 10 days. Now, when they say 10 days, that of course is highly subjective because it depends where you go and how you use it. For example, I am completely self-sufficient in my motorhome in the summer. I can go from April to October without hookup whatsoever, and that is using my computer to make videos such as this one. So I make that point by the by. So as you can see, the exterior design of these models has a definitive off-road look with crossover design graphics. This look is enhanced by the four-wheel drive as well as the 40cm 16-inch all-terrain tyres and the LED light bar above the cab. A unique highlight on the exterior of the MLT is the spare wheel on the outer rear wall as well as the roof rack with rear ladder. In addition to their striking design, the crossover models also have a large number of sophisticated technical features. The 9-centimetre suspension lift ensures better clearance when off-roading and reduces the risk of grounding the vehicle. The gear reduction of the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter also has good traction, even on uphill inclines and downhill slopes, as you can see in this video. This is aided by the intelligent 4ETS traction system, which uses electronic rather than mechanical differential locks. The characteristic design is continued in the interior in the form of the new anthracite coloured overhead locker doors, as well as a new grey table and counter surface finish that has been added in the Hymer MLT 570. There are net pockets underneath the overhead lockers. There's also a toolkit including a folding spade and axe, and there's also an optional safe which can be integrated into the passenger seat console of the Grand Canyon S and MLT 570 and protects personal valuables with a steel housing and 3-bolt security lock. The MLT 570 has the German layout, 2 single beds which can be joined. You may have heard me say in the past how much I appreciate the MLT being one of my favourite vehicles. In fact, for me it's the MLT 560 that's got the widthwise bed, which I personally prefer, but that's my choice, and you might want to have the German layout with the particularly if you're taller than I am. The beds feature a disc spring sleeping system. The bathroom and kitchen adjoin the sleeping area. The kitchen has a 152 litre refrigerator. The seating area is in an L shape, meaning you can keep your feet up whilst in the forward facing bench. The driver's seat can be converted into an extra berth at the front of the vehicle with the help of an additional cushion. There's also a 6 kilowatt diesel heater with an electric bar heater, as well as an altitude kit that enables the heating to continue to be used at altitudes of over 1,500 meters. And here I'd be curious to get opinions of people who've actually used heating at altitudes. Now, I personally have never done it, so I'm unable to actually comment. But if anybody has done, let us know what your experience was. I can say this though, 6 kilowatts within this vehicle is certainly going to keep you very warm. I have not used the MLT 570. Having said that, I've got video of me being out in minus 13 in the Hymer Van S, and I really was very comfortable inside. So another feature it has is a battery package, which also includes the Hymer Smart Battery System with 2 lithium batteries and an inverter. There's also on the roof 2 times 90 watt solar panels. That's 180 of solar plus 200 amps of lithium power inside. And here we have the Grand Canyon S CrossOver. So the sleeping area features disc spring bed frames and cold foam mattresses, and there's also a pop-top roof as an option. In the kitchen, one finds a 90-litre refrigerator with freezer compartment, as well as an extendable kitchen counter. The integral look original Mercedes-Benz comfort seats are also available with a leather finish as an option. Just as in the MLT 570 CrossOver, the Grand Canyon S also features an autonomy package as standard. In addition to the 6 kilowatt diesel heater with an electric bar heater and the altitude kit, this model also features solar installation with a capacity of 90 watts on the roof, as well as the Hymer Smart Battery System. An additional option is a MobiCool cool box, which is housed in the pull-out storage space on the rear bed and can be taken out whenever it is needed. So, what do you think of these vehicles? Let me know in the comments, and let's see a little bit more of them. But from me, thanks for watching.